Hi guys, it's Tessie at Ankly. Welcome back to our Excel beginner series. So today we'll be looking at de-duplication. So what is de-duplicating? It's the process of removing duplicate values from our data set. A duplicate value occurs when a particular information in a row appears multiple times in the data set, thereby making the information not unique to a particular row in a data set. Excel decides which duplicate values are being removed and the duplicate values which are left by the duplicate values which appear first in the data set. So if, for instance, we have David Albert from France with this distributor ID information, Excel keeps this first record of the values and then deletes consecutive records of this particular information. So that is how Excel keeps and deletes the records of duplicate values. So it's important, if you have a particular format in which you want duplicate values to be stored, you sort before removing your duplicate in your data set. So our problem 1 is saying your manager provided you with the following data. Noting that there may be identical duplicate entries, you need to update the tables to only display the unique row. So first of all, we are going to copy this data set and then we're going to paste it on this table. So first of all, we'll have to select the range of data we would love to deduplicate and then we'll paste it on the table. So for us to select a range of data, use a Ctrl+Shift, the right arrow key and the down arrow key, and then we Ctrl+C to copy. Now we come here and then we Ctrl+Alt+V. Remember, we are not just pasting the values, we are trying to also paste the format of the data set. So we'll paste all because we are pasting the value and the format, and there are no formulas applied to this data set, so just paste all and OK. And so you can see we have our data set here. The reason why we're copying this data set and pasting it is so that we would not affect the original data set. So to remove this, we just click on the escape. From here we can see the data sets are alike. So to remove the duplicate values, first of all, highlight the entire table. And then we'll go to our data tab, and then by the time we're over to the data tools group, you will see the remove duplicate. So when we click on the duplicate, you can see it said to delete duplicate values, select one or more columns that contain duplicates. It's asking what columns do you want to remove duplicates from. So we'll highlight all our columns, the distribution ID, distribution name, and the country. So these are the list of our columns, and it asks data has headers. Yes, these are our columns headers, the distributor ID, the distributor name, and the country in which the distributor lives in. So, okay, so you said for duplicate values found and removed, then you have 17 unique values remaining. So this is how you remove duplicates from your dataset in Excel worksheets. Thanks for watching. Bye.